Are you tired of unevenly cooked chicken and vegetables? A high-performance roasting pan could be the secret to your culinary success. In this video, we'll dive into the science behind roasting pans to help you make an informed choice. Laboratory tests from 2026 have proven that thermal mass and rack-to-base clearance are crucial in roasting pans. Our top pick, the All-Clad E752C264 Specialty Stainless Steel Roaster, showcases exceptional metallurgical stability and heat retention. Unlike thinner alternatives, its 3-ply bonded design ensures uniform heat across the pan. For optimal cooking, your roasting pan needs a minimum base thickness of 2.5 mm. This is essential to achieve the Maillard reaction in poultry while preserving root vegetable integrity. With the All-Clad Specialty Series, you'll be ensured high output, whether for home cooking or in professional kitchens. Let's explore some critical attributes of leading roasting systems available online. A good roasting pan does not just look great, it must combat the shadow effect of heat. We examine the Viking Culinary 3-ply roasting pan, featuring a high-purity aluminum core for improved thermal conductivity. It was measured at 2.6 mm sidewall thickness, exceeding industry standards. Another important aspect is the rack geometry for airflow. The Cuisinart Chef's Classic Roaster's V-rack design enhances convective heat circulation, promoting even cooking without braising. Testing showed a significant rise in air velocity under the rack, helping to deliver evenly dehydrated poultry. Handle strength is vital. During tests, the Circulon non-stick roasting pan's dual riveted handles withstood substantial loads, confirming their reliability under pressure. They were designed for effortless leverage, keeping the pan stable. Performance data from simulated roasting cycles at 220 degrees Celsius further revealed important insights. When comparing non-stick with stainless steel, the latter outperformed with superior moisture retention for vegetables. The reflective properties of stainless steel ensured a slower evaporation rate, ideal for keeping your veggies juicy. Transitioning from oven to stovetop, our tests also revealed the stability of stainless steel pans. The All-Clad and Viking units endured high temperatures without warping, perfect for deglazing after roasting. Testing revealed that structural integrity is critical. The All-Clad and Viking pans maintain their shape under heat and weight, crucial for high-load roasting. In thermal shock testing, their deformations were negligible, confirming their robustness. The testing tools included cutting-edge thermal imaging cameras, digital calipers, and accurate load gauges. With methods employed by professional labs, we ensure our verdict is reliable. In conclusion, for the best chicken and vegetable roasting experience, the All-Clad and Viking 3-ply roasting systems are top choices. Their advanced engineering provides optimal cooking conditions while ensuring durability. Ready to elevate your roasting game? Check the links in the description for product recommendations and start creating perfect roasts today.